Alright, so we're going to talk about the important characteristics of this graph. We're going to start with the domain. The domain is the x values. This is our x-axis. For the domain, we go from the left to the right, and these arrows, the graph is going to keep going and going and going. So the domain is negative infinity to infinity. We could also say all real numbers. And we could also put this in inequality notation. Negative infinity is less than x, which is less than infinity. And then the range. So the range is the y values. This is our y-axis. And so for the range, we start on the bottom. And you see these arrows, and where are these arrows going? Infinity or negative infinity? So negative infinity. And then how high does the graph stop? 2. And the graph is on the 2, so that's a bracket. And so we're going to write that in inequality notation. Negative infinity is less than y, which is less than or equal to 2. Equal means there's a bracket. Bracket means it's equal. Okay, now we're going to say where the vertex is. The vertex is so we want to look on our graph. This point right here, this is the vertex. The vertex is where it changes. See, this graph is going up, it is increasing, and then right here it changes to decreasing. So the vertex is the point right there where the graph changes directions. So the vertex is where? X is 0 and the y is 2. So it's 0, 2. This is a point. The vertex is the point on the graph. The point is at 0, 2. Okay, does this graph have a minimum or a maximum? This graph, this is a maximum. The maximum is the highest the graph can go. So the maximum is 2. Alright, 2 more things. The y-intercept. where does this graph cross the y-axis? Right here. But we want to say an ordered pair of 0, 2. And the x-intercept, is where the graph crosses the x-axis. You see there's two spots? One x-intercept, another x-intercept. So where are those x-intercepts?
3 and 3.
This 3 is positive 3 or negative 3? So negative 3, 0. That is 1 point for the x-intercept. And 1, 2, 3 for x, 3, 0. The x has to come first and then the y. This is x, y. So 3, 0, no 0, 3, 3, 0.
3, 0.
Okay?